I know. Yeah. I've got my wellies. Some of us have to put things on. Oh, is that the face of someone who's ready to go walkies? Hey! So as it's a sunny day, we thought let's try something new. This is the beginning of February, so fresh new start for a fresh new month. We've come to a place called, where are we?
Don't know.
I think Lawson's Lump or something. I don't know. It's next.
We'll put it in the thing.
Yeah, it's right next to Morden's Bog. Doesn't sound great, but it is beautiful here. We're near the Purbex, naturally. Just love all the walks around here, and for give Chester a new experience, expand his horizons a bit as well as expanding on ours, because we've never been on this walk before. Later we're hoping to go to a little cafe we discovered while we were looking for this walk called the Barnes Cafe. Again, not been there. Sounds nice, looks really cute. So we're going to give that one a go too. Okay, Chester, you ready to explore? You want to explore? Yeah? Let's go on this walk, see how it's like. Does look pretty, doesn't it? Oh, Mr. Chester, finding some new smells, yeah, mate? Not in the bog. No. There's plenty of smells outside of the bog that you'll enjoy, I assure you. Just need to find them and not go into the long grass where there's probably ticks. Good. Bake. Oh, sit. Chester, bake. Oh, good job. He's a good boy. Is that exciting? It's another one of those stick huts. They're taking all the best sticks, aren't they, for themselves? Not fair, is it? Not leaving any for you guys. Yeah, that once produced sticks. Once upon a time. Wow, it's a nice view up here. You like them fresh, do you? Oh, buddy. How pretty is that? So nice with the sun out for a change. Seeing the pine against blue sky makes all the difference.
Bring on more of this. This is what we want the rest of the year to be like. Blue skies and forest.
That's probably as much as we can do on this walk because of Chester only coming up 5 months, so once he reaches 5 months then he can have 25 minutes of walking time. Then we can all have 25 minutes of walking time. Doesn't seem much, but coming from nothing to that, it's a lot to us. We really can't wait till he could do like an hour, but we won't be able to do that until he's about a year old. I think the saddest thing about having to cut our walk shorter is also because Chester looks like he's having so much fun. He's bounding around, he's loving all the smells and everything, and it is heartbreaking, but you know, you're having to do the right thing and actually take care of those growth plates and make sure he doesn't overexert, which is our responsibility because he's just a puppy. He doesn't understand these things. He has no logic in that little mind of his. All he thinks of is, this is fun, that's fun. Oh, what's this? What's that over there? Oh, this is cool. Drink that puddle. Yeah. You're good. Come on, Jessica, let's go. Come on.
Just that, this is. Ooh.
Come on.
No, no.
Oh, no. Come on. Settle. Settle. Good. Nice and settled. Good boy. Good. Send him away. Good boy.
Boy.
Good job. Good, Chester. Good.
Morning.
Oh. Good. Good boy. Nice and settled. Good boy. Good boy, Chester.
Chester! What are you doing?
You got a bit of cheese stuck on you. Is the cheese stuck on your top tooth? Huh? Chester, what's wrong? Oh no, the cheese is stuck on him. Come on, Chester, let's go. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Good boy. I'll get you over. Good boy.
You don't want to go home, bud.
No, I have to bribe you. Face. To conclude this morning's walk, we decided to make our way to the Barnes Cafe, which was about 10 minutes drive away. Chester.
We didn't expect the Barnes Cafe to be so nice. The heated tent at the entrance was very welcoming on this chilly winter's day. It was also the only dog-friendly area of the cafe to sit inside, but we had no issues with that.
After our orders were taken by the waitress at the table, we helped Chester to get comfortable, as you can sometimes be a little unsettled at food venues.
Our food arrived in about 15 minutes. Toasted sausage and bacon ciabatta baguettes with coffee.
As 12 PM approached, more people started filling up the surrounding tables. Chester was very well behaved while we ate, even with other dogs eating and barking right next to us.
We absolutely loved the Barnes Cafe, and would recommend it if you're ever in the Litchett Matravis area.
We needed to get Chester home so he could have a long sleep, but it wouldn't be long before we headed out once again this afternoon to enjoy one more walk together.